Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be about Blue Blood. We are going to race through this because, well, we're going to race through this first part because everybody and their auntie has done a video on this palette, quite rightfully so. So it comes in a box like this, looks like this. You've all seen it in the reveal videos, everybody else's videos. This is what it looks like in comparison to Blood Sugar. Blood Sugar actually looks a little bit bigger, is it? But this one has a sort of raised lid on it, so if travel's a factor for you, maybe that'll be an issue. This is what the inside looks like. Okay, good. Okay. Everybody else has done full in-depth, you know, looking at it, seeing what it looks like. It's got, you know, the big mirror, blah, 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 blah. You're probably sick of hearing about that, so we're just gonna crack right on. As you can see, all of my makeup is done by my eyes, so we're gonna do a look with this and let's just get started. This is sort of like a first impression. It's sort of like a first impression. It is a first impression because I've never used this before. It's been sitting in my house for like 3 days and it's been driving me crazy because I have been dying to use it, but I've been at work. I just prime my eyes with MAC Painterly like I always do. Okay, this happened yesterday. Don't mind my thumbs. I couldn't be arsed doing my thumbs. But this happened yesterday at work. I swear this was a happy accident and not intentional, but I mean, do they not go? We're going full Blue Blood. If you want to see swatches of this, I'll throw it in at the end so you don't have to watch it. If you don't want to, you don't have to worry about skipping forward or anything like that. I'll put the swatches in at the very end. But I think I want to use Flourishing. This is like my favourite colour in the entire world. If you can hear, my cat is currently licking himself. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. This colour, you have to build it up a little bit, but it's such a beautiful intense colour. It's maybe a shade lighter than it looks in the pan, but not anything crazy. I'm gonna grab the shade Minty. That one's got a little bit more fallout, and I'm just gonna run this on the edge of that Flourishing shade and blend it out. I'm gonna take Flourishing and I'm gonna pop it on my inner sort of area of my eye as well. Look at this colour! It's stunning. It's like the only one I don't have on my hands as well because I don't really have a colour like it, but it's so good. Okay, so that's 2 colours. There's a little bit of kickback in Mint Tea. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller brush, this little one here, it's the JH40, and I'm going into Cremated. It's a sort of grey blue. I'm gonna put this in, sort of to deepen up. Wow, I love that shade. This, I will say, I think I've heard other people say it. I've tried not to watch too many reviews on this, but this just reminds me of Blood Sugar. All the shades just blend, or all the shades so far, just blend in together really nicely, like they were all made for each other. Oh my god. Oh god! Okay. I'm gonna take the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, back to my hand, taking a little concealer brush. To sort out my little sort of halo-ish bit. And I'm gonna take Entitled, which is a sort of shimmery green colour, and focus this sort of on the edges to blend between Cremated and the shade that I put in the very centre, because I like to have like a sort of little transition. It picks up so well and applies really, really easily. Probably have zoomed you in for this. Sorry. Okay, so I'm really, for the center, I'm gonna take Cullinan. Is it Cullinan? Sorry. I have no idea what that is, what it means. Holy shit balls. Wow. I think I've just found my new favorite shade on the planet. Look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm switching back to Entitled. You literally just have to tap into these. They mix really nicely. So I'm going to take Wealthy now on this little brush, and I'm going to use it to highlight. I don't want it too intense, and then I'm going to take Cullinan again and just... Okay, we're going to do the lower lash line now. I'm going to take Cremated. And then I'm going to take Flourishing on the same brush as I used before, with just a very, very tiny amount. And sort of blend that a little bit further down. And then the same with Mint Tea. Right underneath. Hide those eye bags! Our eye crinkles, they're not really bags as such. I'm gonna go off camera, catch up to this, add some lashes stuff, and then I'll come back and tell you what I think of this palette, although you might already know. Look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, so I am back. I have finished. I'm gonna zoom you out and I'm gonna tell you what I think about this palette, although I think you can probably guess already. Hell. Okay, so this, just this. I mean, I don't know if I've seen a bad review on this yet. I don't see one coming because he's sort of did it again. He's nailed it. All the colours I used, I absolutely loved. So I used Cullinan, Mint Tea, Flourishing, Cremated, and Entitled. So what's that? 5 shades? 5 shades out of the palette, and I love them all. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I used a little bit of that one for my brow bone highlight, but not enough to kind of judge it. Yeah, so A++, Jeffree Star did it again. The palettes are just worth the money. Like the ease of which you can create a look that is like as colourful as this. It's just so easy, it's so quick, they blend really well, the colours are really nice. Even if you have to build it up, it's still easy to use. They're really creamy, I really like the texture of them. Like I say, I haven't touched all of them, but the ones that I used, dreamy, I want to eat them. If that's all you wanted to see, then obviously thanks for watching. If you want to see the swatches of this palette, then stay tuned. But if not, obviously if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see another look using this, subscribe, because I'll probably be doing loads anyway. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So first we have Cullinan, Mint Tea, Crystal Flesh, and I'm Cold. Okay, so next we have Untouchable, Priceless, Power, and Blue Blood. Deceased, Ice Tray, Blue Monday, and Flourishing. Wealthy, which is really pale, Celebrity Skin, Entitled, and Ocean Ice. Ocean Ice is really quite crumbly, you have to sort of work it in, but it's a stunning shade. The last 2 shades are Cremated and Undertaker. Both absolutely stunning. Okay, so quickly before I go and before somebody on the internet discovers this and shouts about it. These two fingers here, I'm pretty sure was Blue Monday and Ocean Ice. They leave pink stains. Why pink? I have no idea. It didn't leave it on my arm. Oh, it didn't leave it on my arm, even though my arm looks very, very blue right now. It didn't leave the stains. It did a tiny, tiny little bit, but it left it on my finger. So be aware that those two shades may stain. Is it harmful? No, but if you are sensitive, it may give you a reaction, like with everything. So let me just see. I have like a finger here that I can use. So I'm going to take Ocean Ice, those two, just swatch them on the back of my hand, like that. There we go. So that's the Blue Monday one. Sorry, no. That's Ocean Ice and that was Blue Monday. So Ocean Ice is definitely a lot more. You can see the sort of pinky purple staining. It's kind of like a magenta colour. It's actually really nice. And then Blue Monday's there, so it's just a very, very slight stain, that one. It's not as bad. But that's just something that I wanted to make you aware of before somebody ultimately goes, it stained my eye, it's all over the... So, you know, you're pre-warned if you use that shade. I mean, a base will probably help, but it may stain. But to get that shade on my face, I don't care if it stained me green, I'm putting that shade on my face. Bye guys.